9 times out of 10. I got niggas I probably never see again.
Today we at Miami Beach and we're gonna be pranking people. We're gonna be asking them if they have a tissue because I really have to sneeze, bro. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a tissue by any chance?
What?
Do you have a tissue by any chance? Can I sneeze on you? Can I sneeze on you?
What?
Please? Because I like sneezing on people.
No.
Please?
You can't do that.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna.
You don't wanna.
Alright, it's coming.
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong with you?
I'm just trying to sneeze on you, man.
Hey! Excuse me. What you doing?
I'm just trying to.
No, you can't.
I'm just trying to sneeze on you, bro.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
What's up? Oh. Excuse me, what? Excuse me. Do you have a tissue, bro?
No, I don't.
Cause I would.
Bro, back up, bro. What are you doing?
I just need a tissue, bro.
Back up. I don't have a tissue.
Do you have a tissue?
Back up.
Does she
No,
have a
she doesn't
tissue?
have a tissue. What are you doing, dude? Bro, back up. I'm telling you right now. I don't know if you got a camera or something. This isn't a fucking joke. Back the fuck up. I'm serious.
So you don't have a tissue, bro. Why do you get mad? I'm just asking you for a tissue. Why do people get mad?
Times I don't have a tissue. Now you're acting sketchy as fuck.
I'm not trying to sell you no drugs, bro.
I don't care what you're trying to sell anybody. I don't have a tissue.
Excuse me, man. Do you have a napkin? Like I gotta sneeze really badly, but I don't want to sneeze. You like, do you have a napkin? Excuse me, sir. Do you have a napkin, bro? I'm about to sneeze on you, bro. Do you have a napkin, bro?
Hey, cool.
Do you have a napkin, bro?
Hey, man,
I
back up.
bro.
Hey, back up.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a do you have a tissue? I'm about to sneeze. Do you have a tissue? The cost. I just need a tissue, though.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I just need a tissue.
Fuck out of my face.
Come on, man. I just need a tissue, man.
Fuck out of my face, bro.
Oh,
Fuck out of my face.
bro.
Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face. Let me call the cops.
Bro, don't. You think they have tissue?
No, I know what I have.
What do you have?
Let me call the cops.
All right. Let me know if they have tissue.
Kid,
I'm not a kid.
tell that kid to delete that shit.
I'm not a kid. I'm older than you. So don't even try me like that. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a napkin, bro? I'm about to sneeze, bro. I don't want to sneeze on you, bro. You have a napkin?
Nah.
Bro, just give me a napkin. Please. Like,
Don't sneeze on me.
I don't.
Just walk away from me.
Bro. Oh, the sun is like making.
What are you doing?
Oh, it left. Excuse me, sir. Can you give me a napkin, bro? I gotta sneeze, bro. I just need a napkin, bro. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a tissue, bro?
No.
Cause I don't want to sneeze on you, bro.
No, I know that.
No, I just want a tissue, bro. Like, do you have a napkin, bro? I don't want to sneeze on you, bro.
Get the fuck away from
Do
me.
you have a napkin?
Dog, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Get the fuck away from me, dog.
I'm just asking
I
if you
don't
have.
give a fuck. Get the fuck away from me, dog.
What the fuck, bro? Oh, excuse me. Do you have a napkin? You made it leave now. Now I gotta wait 10 minutes for it to come back again.
Okay, can you get that camera out my face?
What camera?
Your fucking phone. It's recording. Don't nobody got time for this shit. Like, we don't know you like that. Get that shit out of my face.
He's not recording.
Yes,
He's only recording me, though.
Recording.
Huh?
Of course he's recording. Why he got his phone like that?
He has like a problem on his hand. He's built like that.
I'm playing
You
games
know
on my phone.
Bring me my phone.
You are watching a master at work.
All right, let's go.
9 times out of 10. I got niggas I probably never see again. No matter the problem, I promise that we gon' win. First one to switch up the one you call friends.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Like it, comment what you want to see me do next, and subscribe.